Okay, today, what are we doing, pal?
We're pulling an engine on G35.
A G35? This is a G35, this is a Smurf, and we are a go. So we've gotten the bumper off this bad bitch. Just the bumper.
For now.
It's been like 10 minutes, so
Not even that.
like 5 minutes.
It's gotta be mint.
Shut the fuck up. So, we got the front bumper off. Everything's coming apart. Slowly. Should be done in about 2 minutes. We'll have it out.
If we can figure out the wiring and all the other shit. Never did G35 swap it before. Tons of Subarus though.
Fuck Subarus. So, at the moment, pal,
I'm doing a tranny.
he's doing a tranny, and it's really hot. I'm enjoying it.
Yeah. Wanna join in?
Yeah. Oh, fuck! Oil just dripped in my eyeball. Yo. Shit. Oh, no.
We have some rusty ass fucking bolts that we won't be able to get off. And we got some oil in this fucking eye.
Gonna hack a dart.
Yeah, boy.
Pal,
What's up?
I'm your biggest fan, man.
Number 1 subscriber.
Number 1. Biggest fan. Sub and like if you're a fan. Dylan, what do you think of this engine in front of you?
New cars suck.
I hate them.
New cars suck.
Should we stick to Hondas?
Nissan.
Subarus?
This is a fucking Nissan.
This is a Nissan, man. Look at it. It says Nissan. Where's
It's
it?
Infinity.
It's the same shit.
Infinity
Yeah, but it's
Nissan.
new Nissan. Old Nissan is Nissan. New Nissan is shit.
It's a
This is
Nissan.
2003. This is pretty fucking old.
No, that's
Yeah,
it
man.
needs to be
2003.
older.
That's 14 years
Older.
old.
Older.
I don't know, man. I like them young. So that's consolation.
Okay, Ari, what's your best advice?
Don't smoke a dart under a car, or you'll burn yourself. Oh, that's rust. 4 hours later, we're taking a break for food. Starving. And Dylan, as usual, is watching car videos. Honda. Got some dick Honda way. Oh my god! The pizza! It's ready! Oh my god! Well, we took a little bit of an intermission. Had to go run some errands, drop some people off. But it's about 10:30 now and we are heading back to the garage to continue working. We have made a pit stop for energy drinks so that we can continue this night of stupid shit. We are back at the garage. It's now like 11 o'clock. Pal's jacking up the car.
Even more.
Even more. We're putting it on more jack stands so that it's safer, I guess. Kind of
We
being a
decided
little...
to pull the at first we were gonna pull just the engine. Now we're pulling the engine and tranny because it's easier. So we're jacking the rear end of the car up. So there's room under there.
Yeah, we couldn't get to the top bolts on the tranny, so we're just gonna pull the whole tranny with it and then made it up to the other engine we got sitting over there beside Powell. Hopefully it all goes smooth. We should have this done tomorrow. Well, swapped tomorrow. Or tomorrow night, early morning. But it'll get done. It'll get done because it needs to get done. There's so much room. There's so much room. There's like a good 6 feet underneath the car. Clearance. Who needs a 2-post lift when you got jack stands, man?
Yeah, man.
So much room, man. Woo! So while Pal's down there fucking with the exhaust, I'm sitting up here trying to undo the wiring harness. And I've come to this one little thing.
Your penis?
Well, that's little too, but this little clip, and I can't get it off. And I've been trying for the last like 10 minutes to get it off, and I think I'm just retarded.
Fuck!
Don't swear on me, man. What the fuck? I got it! I finally got it! I'm just kidding. It took me like 40 minutes, not 10. Got the clip out. I got it, boys and girls. Got it. Pal's still working on the same bolt. No, he's almost got the whole exhaust disconnected from the engine, from the manifold. Man, you look good in this light, dude.
Thanks, bro.
If you look down here, we have a ratchet, an extension, another extension, Pal's face, a swivel,
And another extension.
another
And a
extension,
deep socket.
and then a socket.
And we got the bolt up.
We broke it loose. I don't know how, but we broke it loose. Swag.
You can't give up on
Monster, number what? Like 5 today?
this? Yeah, sounds about right.
Let's go. All nighter in the town. Sponsor us. So we are about to call it a night on the G35. Continue in the morning. It's midnight and we're tired. And we've only been up for like 11 hours. So we'll get back at it at noon tomorrow, maybe. Maybe. But it's got to be done tomorrow night, early morning. So we're gonna be busting our asses tomorrow. So Pal just picked me up. It's 2 in the afternoon. I just woke up. I don't know about him, but I just woke up. So we're headed to get some caffeine and then work on a car that we don't want to work on.
You get.
We are back at the garage after getting breakfast. Another day, another dollar. Another G35. Today it comes out. And if it doesn't, we shoot ourselves in the head. So it's coming out. Right, Paul?
Yeah.
Attaboy. We got one more bolt on the tranny. And the engine should be out.
And I can reach it.
That is.
I don't even know where it is.
Can Paul get to it?
I don't even know where it is, man.
What's your thoughts on G35s?
Worst fucking cars ever.
And she is out. Officially.
Biggest pain in the ass I've ever had to deal with.
Honestly. There was one little clip, like a zip tie, holding it. We were struggling with it for a little while there, but
A little while, I'm like fucking an hour.
like an hour. Like seriously, a zip tie cost us an hour of our time. It was sick. We out here in the Hollywood Hills. Yo, Reese, what's good?
Yo, bro.
Yo,
What's poppin'?
what's poppin'? We're working on this fucking. We got a VQ here. It's a V6. It's pretty lit. Woo, boy, it's running. It's running. Day 8.
Okay, so we're finally done the G35 swap.
Woo!
After how long?
Only took like a week. Such a pain in the ass. What?
Not bad for a day's work. I mean, a week's work. Holy fuck, we're moving so quick that it's not focusing, bro. Woo. Six-speed swap coming to you tomorrow. Just kidding.
No. This week we're gonna be working on the Subaru I just picked up yesterday, and we're gonna be working on
My Turbo S14.
this KAT S14. So stay tuned for more sick content, and yeah,
Yeah, we're
like,
gonna-
subscribe.
Nuggets. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, share shit out of our videos.
Comment if you want to see me do a burnout in front of a cop.
He'll do it. Comment no balls.
No balls.